Are you looking for new crochet hooks, but you don't want to be sold? It's great. I don't have an Amazon affiliate link for you today, but you can find this on Amazon. So I'm Canadian. I found this on Amazon Canada. And so if you've been following me over the years, you know that I've been working with these hooks. They're just a generic hook that I found on Amazon. There's no brand associated to it, but I have been told that one of the major retailers has hooks that are identical looking to this under their own private label. So I buy these online. They come usually in a bag or plastic, and it's about $15 Canadian for all of the hooks together as one. So they're really inexpensive, and I have tons of these kits in my office because I seem to lose these hooks. I don't know why, because I don't go anywhere. So I realized in the last few weeks that I noticed that there was thicker hooks for the very first time that I've never seen before. So the one thing that I like about the hooks is that this is another brand here. And so you see the length of the hook? It jams into my palm and it gives me friction wounds, or it can create a sore when the hooks are too short for my hand versus other hooks. So right here, you see it's going into the palm of my hand. So this is one of the things that I love about these hooks, is that these hooks go beyond the palm, and so I don't get any friction indentations into my palm. If you're a pencil holder, it probably won't matter so much, but for those that are butter knife method, to me it matters the most. So I noticed online that there is actually thicker versions of this hook style that I've never seen before. And so with the thicker size, I had to order 3 kits of those because I want to find out, because if I love them, then I'm just going to get 3 at the same time. But you can see that the handle area is identical in the size. So it's, when I pick it up, it's going to go beyond my palm, just like you see here. And the only difference of the way that it's holding is just a bit thicker. So it's still the same shape, still has the flat. One of the things that I require in a crochet hook is to be like a really good indent for my thumb, so I can look away as I crochet. And so knowing that I love these hooks and that it's a generic hook, I can just easily switch over to these because it's just a larger hook. So one thing I really like about the most is that look at the difference of the shaft. I get more space on the shaft to do more fancier stitches. I love texture work, Catherine wheel stitch, all of that, but you can only hold so many loops with a hook like this versus one of these that gives you more shaft. Now, I have in my time had only one of these hooks break. So it was just when I had my other sizes that you see. And so these, I realized that they only go down so far. They don't go all the way down through the handle. So it's just, they're actually not very long, just like that. But durability wise, these guys have been treating me really well over the years. And so it's a nice generic brand. If you look on Amazon, just go Amazon Ergonomic crochet hooks. I don't do affiliate links, so I'm not going to put that here on the channel. But what you can find here is now the different sizes. Now this kit here for the 4 was approximately $22 Canadian. I don't know what that is in US dollars, but I find that's very reasonable for this because it is more plastic being used. There is more metal being used because it's a thicker hook. And so when I can switch back and forth to the different sizes, it feels very similar other than the thickness. It's a bit heavier, obviously, because it's a thicker hook, but you can see that they still mold the hooks just like the smaller ones do. And so being able to jump hooks and keep within the same shaping is something that is a game winner for me.